point at the log with your right hand. Okay, point at the jump. Heads up, she's jumping that oxer. Stay there. Thank you. Yeah. We don't want a flat out horse, but we want the legs. So you coming, much coming, come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, now you're off rhythm, and come, yes, there, see how quick you were then able to get the hind, not the nose, the shoulder, open it, point at the jump with your right rein. Wait. Good job. Soften that left rein. Don't lean. Good. Now do it.
What you get, they aren't that expensive.
Hip, lovely. Hip. Get off his back. Just a touch, not quite so much. Soften your left rein. Okay, now. It's in grab. Much better. And again, same. Good girl. Give it. Good girl. Don't ask with your shoulders. Remember, you're just asking for the next canter stride, whether it's elevated or not. Get the stride, come on. Get the stride. The back. Good girl. Shorten your right rein. Good. Now he's starting to wait instead of leaving long, right? I'd love to see you get 5 strides to the bank. Push. He's like, I'd like to see me get straighten his head. Yeah, turn the shoulder. Good boy. 3, 4, 5. That was a long right leg. Don't let your left hand come back. Beautiful. Good, well done.